Like in a game of cards, the Philippine government is calling the threat of the Chinese side to arrest any trespassers to areas it claims to be theirs as a mere bluff. Instead of blinking and cowering from such pronouncement, authorities want Filipino fisherfolk to continue with their ways, guaranteeing protection to them as they eke out a living. Patrick De Jesus has more.
The Philippine Coast Guard publicized the illegal activities of Chinese fishermen in Scarborough or Panatag Shoal dating back to 2016. The PCG caught on camera the harvesting of giant clams by the Chinese that lasted until 2019. Service boats of China even engaged in scouring the seabed of Bajo de Masinloc to search further for giant clams. They were also seen catching puffer fish, stingray, and seashells, as well as sea turtles, with one seen dead days after. The PCG and National Security Council said this only proves China has been damaging the marine environment in Panatag Shoal for such a long time.
Hindi totoo yung sinasabing ang ginagawa nating pag-expose ng agresibong paggalaw ng China, paninira ng environment, panghaharas ng Filipino fishermen only happened during this administration. The objective of this is to give the right information to the Filipino people.
The photos and videos were submitted by the PCG to the Office of the President and National Intelligence Coordinating Agency during the time of the Duterte administration. If actions were taken, the PCG said,
I don't know.
The NSC then challenged China to open to international scrutiny the Bajo de Masinloc.
They are the ones that are there right now. They are preventing us from going inside the lagoon, so that in order for the world to find out if China indeed has fulfilled its obligations under international law, buksan natin yung Bajo de Masinloc to international scrutiny. We can ask third-party environmental groups or even the United Nations to do a fact-finding mission to determine the environmental situation in the Bajo de Masinloc.
The government is collecting evidence in filing additional cases against China. The National Security Council advised Filipino fisher folks to proceed with their daily livelihood in the West Philippine Sea and do not be intimidated. This amidst orders to China Coast Guard to arrest foreigners for trespassing the South China Sea, including all territories they claim in the West Philippine Sea. In the regulation approved by Beijing, the order begins on June 15. Detention period is up to 60 days with no trial. The NSC assured Pinoy fisher folks the government will protect them.
Nandyan po ang Philippine Coast Guard at ang Philippine Navy para tumulong sa inyo. Tuloy lang po ninyo ang inyong ginagawa dahil nasa likod ninyo ang batas at ang pamahalaan ng Republika ng Philippines.
The NSC also stressed China Coast Guard has no right to do arrests, slamming the order as part of China's scare tactics. The president also said this is unacceptable.
That kind of action would be completely unacceptable to the Philippines. Of course, once again, I do not talk about operational details, so you will leave it to us. But the position that we take is that that is unacceptable, and we will take whatever measures to always protect our citizens.
These regulations cannot apply to the exclusive economic zone of coastal states like Vietnam, Malaysia, Brunei, Indonesia, or the Philippines, or any other country for that matter. These new Chinese Coast Guard regulations is nothing more than part of China's scare tactics to intimidate and coerce its Asian neighbors. It is provocative, escalatory, and increases the tensions in the South China Sea. The Philippines will not be intimidated nor coerced by the Chinese Coast Guard. We will never succumb to these scare tactics.
The NSC also called other ASEAN coastal states to denounce China's latest directive. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.